What if the reason your clothes don't look professional has nothing to do with your sewing skills? Before you learn sewing, there are 5 fashion design basics you need to master first. Most beginners think buying a sewing machine is the first step to becoming a fashion designer. But that's where many people go wrong. Thousands of beginners make this mistake every year without realizing it. They spend months sewing, yet their garments still don't look professional. Why? Because sewing is only one piece of the puzzle. The real foundation starts long before fabric touches the machine. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal the one skill that separates amateurs from professional fashion designers. Let's begin. A beautiful design means nothing if it doesn't fit properly. The first basic is understanding body measurements. Many beginners focus on style before learning proper measurements. Even expensive fabric cannot save a garment that doesn't fit correctly. Once you master measurements, everything in fashion design becomes easier. And once you understand measurements, the next skill becomes much easier. You don't need to be a perfect artist to think like a designer. Fashion sketching is simply a way to bring your ideas to life before cutting fabric. A simple sketch can save hours of mistakes and help you visualize your finished garment. But even the best sketch won't create a garment on its own. Because every professional garment starts with something even more important. This is the blueprint behind every garment you've ever admired. Pattern drafting is the foundation of professional fashion design. Without a pattern, you're guessing. With a pattern, you're designing with precision. Most beginners stop here, and that's exactly why they struggle. But there's another skill many beginners ignore. Professionals don't just see clothes. They see structure, shape, and construction. Garment construction helps you understand seams, shaping, structure, and finishing. When you understand construction, you stop sewing randomly and start creating with purpose. Now we're about to discuss the skill most beginners completely overlook. And surprisingly, it's not sewing. This invisible skill determines whether a design looks ordinary or unforgettable. Fashion design principles include balance, proportion, harmony, silhouette, and visual appeal. These are the invisible rules behind every stunning design. Imagine having all 5 skills working together. Imagine confidently taking measurements, sketching ideas, drafting patterns, constructing garments, and creating designs that attract attention. That's the difference between sewing clothes and becoming a fashion designer. So tell me, are you still learning randomly? Or are you ready to become a real fashion designer? Which of these 5 basics are you currently learning? Comment designer below. And subscribe for more fashion school lessons and pattern drafting tutorials.